In this demonstration, we'll be looking at the A experiment. You can see that here in the experiments panel as the third item in the list. Go ahead and tap on that to get started. You'll see some instructions. I always recommend that you read through those quickly anytime you do the experiment. But in this case, I already know what they say because I wrote them, and also I'm going to show you how it works. But that will all make a lot more sense after you've seen it in action. So in this experiment, you're just writing the lowercase letter A again and again. You don't even really need to pay much attention to what's in the shape panel down here at the lower left because it's going to be the same every single time. This experiment should go fairly quickly. You can see I'm just writing an A and tapping next. If you're interested, you can write your A's at various sizes. That might help us in our analysis. But basically what we're looking at here are the features of handwriting that remain constant from one example of a letter to the next, and the things that naturally vary with every single writing. So, we're studying the way handwritten scripts evolve and the way that writing is actually produced. So having this benchmark of the same letter written over and over again allows us to see what remains constant and what changes. In this case, we ask for 50 shapes. You can see I'm on shape 24 of 50. That's just above the shapes panel in the lower left corner. That number is a little bit arbitrary in this case, but 50 is just kind of a good minimum to make sure we get a full enough data set to actually do some interesting analyses. This experiment is totally voluntary and you're welcome to quit at any time. The only possible consequence of not completing the minimum number of shapes is that we might not be able to use your data in our analysis, but that's totally fine. So when you're done, tap End Session, go ahead and confirm, wait a second for everything to upload, and then you're back to the experiments panel. And that's really all there is to it. So thank you and good luck.